Hello guys, this is Hina from IgniteCore Solutions. Today, I am going to show you guys how to build your very own WordPress website using no code, no stress, just pure beginner-friendly stuff. Alright, so first you need to get your website live on the internet. You need a domain name, which is your website's address, and a hosting, where your website actually lives. First things first, you guys need to go to any of the domain provider you guys use, and you need to type in the domain you want. Once you have the domain, you can buy it, and once you own the domain, you need to go to buy a hosting. For that, I will use Bluehost. You can go to Bluehost and go to the pricing section, and you guys can choose any plan you like. Once you guys have bought your hosting and domain, you will need to go to the Bluehost dashboard. Here, you will see your hosting plan, and you need to click on Manage. Once you guys are inside, you will see either one website here or none. If you see none, you will have to add a new website. From here, add a site, and then you will need to install WordPress. Here you will write your site title, or you can also skip it for now, and then you will need to add your domain name that you bought earlier. After the loading is done, you guys will have to log into WordPress. After you guys are in, you can look around and see new things here. This is the side panel, and you can go ahead and click on each button and see things here and find out new things. We will have to edit our website, right? So for that, we're going to go to Appearance and Themes. You're going to select the themes you like, or you can add a theme by downloading and uploading it. And after you've done it, you're going to go to the editor. Once you guys have done that, you guys will need to go to another website to get your templates from there. You're going to open a new tab and go to tyler.com. Once you guys are here, you can add your business information and modify the templates and select any template you like. Don't spend too much time on the templates, it's just a bunch of random frames that you'll be changing later. You can copy the entire page, come back to your website, go to Pages, add a new page, add the title, create draft. Once you're here, you guys will need to paste all of the blocks that you copied from Tyler. There you go. You have the first page ready. You're going to click on Save Draft. Once you've done it, come back here and take your time to add all of the pages you want or you like. You can add a new page, add the title, go to Tyler, copy the template you like, come back here, and paste. It's as simple as that. Save draft. Go ahead, take your time. Once you've added all the pages that you want, you can actually start editing all the pages. You can come up here and start editing all the text and images and buttons and links and everything you need. Solutions. You can click on the image on the image and click on replace, and you can upload the image you want. Then you can edit the link of the button by coming on this link icon, and you can add the link that you want of any page that you like. You can type in the page name and it's gonna show below after you've uploaded the page. You can come down here and edit anything and everything according to your needs. If you want to add a new blog, you can come up here on this add icon and see you have so many things you can add here. Once you've done all the other pages, you can click on this WordPress icon, go back there, and see if you have a plugin called Jetpack. If you're using Bluehost for your hosting, you're gonna have Jetpack here automatically by default. If you don't have it, you can go to plugins and add new plugins and add the Jetpack plugin. Go to your Jetpack plugin, supercharge your site, and go through all the steps to get started with Jetpack. Once you're done with that, you're gonna go down and scroll through all this dashboard and find out new things, because scrolling and surfing is the key to learning new things. No tutorial takes you through every single thing. You need to surf around and find out things for yourself. After that, go to your contact page, edit that, you're gonna scroll down and get started. This is from WP Forms, but for now we're not gonna be using WP Forms, so we're going to delete this one and we're going to add a new thing after this. Add after. You're gonna click on the icon, browse all, and you're gonna click on Jetpack form. Form. You're gonna click on a contact form, and there you go. There's your form. Now you're going to publish this. So contact form in WordPress is something that you don't just understand after first try. I'm gonna make another video on contact forms, so make sure to check that out too. So guys, you see this is our website, and it does not actually look like what it was supposed to look, right? This is our homepage, and this is what the website's homepage was supposed to look like. But see, it's different, so we're going to fix this. We're going to come back here, go to settings, reading. We're going to select our display homepage as a static page and select the home page. Then we're going to save the changes, come back to our website, reload, and see, it works now. So this is your website. Congratulations, you guys just created your first website. If you guys need me to dive further into more narrow concepts of WordPress, I can teach you through that too. And you see this little angry button here? It shows that our SEO score is red, means it's not good, right? So for that, I'm going to make another video where I will be teaching you guys how to score higher in the SEO analysis. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to add SEO keywords into your website. Make sure to check that one out too. For now, I will say goodbye and best of luck for your future projects.